Hello everyone, this is Dr. O. In this video, I'm going to show how you can import data to R. Before we start, first I want to show you my working directory. Here on the screen, I created a file called R videos. Let's click on that. And here I have the admissions data. And let's first see what the data is about. This data set contains the student record numbers. That's called student. The college decision on acceptance. Decision can be admit or deny. The student's SAT score. Whether the student is female or male. If female, yes. If male, no. And the student's high school GPA, which is HS GPA. And now before we start importing the data, I'm going to save this file with CSV extension. So click on Save As. And here it says Excel workbook, and I'm going to change this to CSV, delimited. And then save. Let's close this file. And now you can see that we have two files in this folder. Admissions, which is a CSV file, and then admissions, which is an Excel worksheet. And I'm going to use CSV to import data to R. Let's go back to our R Studio. Here first we need to create a script. So click on this plus sign and click on R script. Before we import data, we will first set up our working directory. And here click on session and then choose set working directory and then choose directory. Here I'm going to choose desktop because our videos are on desktop, and click on R videos and click open. And once you do this, you'll see that on the console there is a command set WD, which means set working directory. And here under files, you can see that two files that I have in our videos folder. So it's a good practice that you always describe in plain English what you are going to do with the commands you write on R. So to write scripts, you need to use hashtag sign. And after hashtag, you explain pull the data. So now, as you know, with the next command, we will import the data. Therefore, I explain first what I am doing in plain English using hashtag sign. In order to import data, we need to give a name to our file. Let's say our file is called my data. And you know that an equal sign in R is this sign. And we want R to read CSV file. In order to do that, we need to write a command here, and I'm going to use read.csv. Here, since our working directory is already set, I'm going to type the name of the file that I want to import data in quotation mark. In this case, it's admissions.csv. And once you finish this code, click on Run. And when you click on Run, you'll see that here in this environment pane, you can find your data. Let's see our data. We have 1,230 observations and 5 variables. If you click on that, you can see the data. And here you have the student, you have the decision, SAT, female, and HS, GPA variables. So if you need help with any command, like read.csv, and you want to learn more about it, you can just use the help function, click on help, and you can type here, let's type it here, magnifying glass, read.csv. Read.csv in parentheses, you should keep always header as true. And separation, here in this case, CSV files are comma delimited. That means the data is separated by comma. And you can use other functions if you would like. But as long as you set your directory to the data folder, you just need to type the name of the file to import data.